I'm going to show you how loud the dog snores. Oh my goodness, you can hear it right there. Go on, man. Do it good. 90, not bad for a max. 92, that's pretty good. 96. What the heck is he doing right now? Okay, I think he might actually have sleep apnea. He might be dead. Did you just die, dog? Seriously, he stopped breathing. Dear God, what do you wake yourself up? Oh my gosh, the dog has sleep apnea. Babu, do you have sleep apnea? I think we just captured a moment for the first time in recorded history. You're a good little dog, it's okay.